In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Brokers Fixed Income. We'll walk through finding bonds on the platform, understanding what you're looking at, and placing an order with confidence, all in a clear and simple way. Start by opening either Trader Workstation, often called TWS, or the Client Portal. Both give you access to the same bond marketplace, so choose whichever interface you're more comfortable with. Once you're in, look for the Bond Scanner in TWS or the Bond Search tool in the Client Portal. These tools are your main gateway to the fixed income universe on the platform. Next, choose the type of fixed income you want to explore. If you're looking for stability and high credit quality, U.S. Treasuries are a common starting point. Corporate bonds come from companies and typically offer higher yields in exchange for more credit risk. Municipal bonds are issued by states and cities and may offer potential tax advantages depending on your situation. You can also look at certificates of deposit, or CDs, which are time deposits with banks, and broader government bonds from other countries if you're seeking international exposure. Pick the category that matches your goals and risk tolerance. From there, set your filters to narrow the list. Maturity determines how long your money is tied up, from short-term notes to long-dated bonds. Yield helps you focus on the return the market is pricing in today. Remember, higher yield often means higher risk. Credit rating gives you a quick gauge of the issuer's creditworthiness, with higher-rated bonds generally viewed as safer. Country is especially useful for government bonds, letting you target specific regions or diversify globally. Adjust these filters until the results align with what you're trying to achieve. When the results appear, take a moment to read the key details. Price is usually quoted as a percentage of face value, where 100 equals par. Yield shows your expected annualized return if held to maturity, assuming no defaults and timely payments. The coupon is the interest rate the bond pays, typically on a semi-annual schedule. The maturity date tells you when you'll receive your principal back, assuming the bond isn't called or otherwise altered. When you're ready to place an order, click the bond you want, choose Buy, and enter the face value or quantity. Many bonds trade in increments of face value, often in thousands, so make sure your amount matches the bond's minimum size. Review the summary carefully for price, accrued interest, and total cost, then click Transmit to send the order. That's it. Clean, informed, and done.